Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm here with the Royal Pledge unboxing. This is the Rk61 keyboard. I got tired of my old keyboard because it was really loud, so I got a new one. So let's open it. Okay, so you have the keyboard first, and then right here you have the cable. What kind of cable do we have here? Oh, we also have that key switch remover, I think that's what it is. No, it's a key cap holder. USB Type-C. So that's pretty good. Just 60%. I forgot what switches did I get. Yeah, I got brown switches. So, it's pretty nice. This is a pretty budget keyboard. It's only like 60 around there, so it's a pretty budget keyboard. Brown switches. Here's a sound test. It's pretty quiet, especially compared to my blue switches on my Red Dragon. So, it's Bluetooth. You just flip this little switch right here on the back, flip it on, and that LEDs come on. So, let's see. We're gonna look and see what we have here. So, you hold function and this right here, function and this. So go. Well, that's like a fade. It's like a fade. Do it again. Just like a wave it goes. It's pretty cool. It's like a wave that way. We have made global news with this, and our mayor, does like a circle thing. Was on GMA talking about how she felt, and it's no secret. So let's take a listen. What I would say it's like a popping, like this one will go, that one will go, that one will go. It's pretty cool. And there is nothing essential about just waves. A bowling alley or getting a manicure. That's like a clock kind of thing. Pandemic. It's necessary that that one goes, that one, that one, that one. To the extent that we've had like lines like that. It's because we have been aggressive, especially in the metro Atlanta area. In social wherever one you hit lights up. Asking people to stay home. Pretty cool. I agree wholeheartedly, and science agrees too. So we're going to see. Then that one stays on, and that's all of them. We have the 12 o'clock day party on the way with DJ Peanut, and shout out to everybody at V103 Atlanta on our Facebook page. Okay, so that's that. USB Type-C cord is right here in the middle on the back. Plugs in there. You got Windows key. It's really small. I've never had a 60%, so it's really small to me. Turn this off. It doesn't have like adjustable feet in the back. It's just one size, which is okay because I kind of like how it is. So. I'll take off like a few caps for y'all so y'all can see. It puts people first. We're so happy to partner with V103 to help the family here in Atlanta and keep their lives running because you matter. Listen to the Morning Culture with Frank Stevie, weekday morning from 6 to 10 a.m. for a chance to win $250 twice a day. Powered by 1-800-TRUCK-RAG. For more details, I think they're Royal brand. I'm not sure about that, but I believe that they are Royal.
More people turn to Channel 2 Action News.
This is sounds so good. Moore. Every day there is new and complicated information about the coronavirus.
Today's my birthday. I'm getting a lot of messages, so yeah. Well, I just thought I'd show y'all this keyboard stuff. Yeah, what else do we have over here? I think we just have like, it's like a thank you for the support, like little card, and it says, it's just like their website and stuff. So that's pretty cool. Then you have this. I thought it was a sticker, but I don't believe it is. Immediately. If you've been in a car wreck, call me today at 1-800-HURT-123. That's 1-800-HURT-123. Never have a lawyer. I don't think it is, but it's pretty cool looking. That's 1-800-HURT-123. Remember, I answer every time. 191 Peachtree Street, Atlanta. You can't use your timeshare. They're closing the reservation, canceling reservations. It has instructions for like the wireless and stuff. I never had these switches, so it feels weird. Sounds good. Well, canceling timeshares worldwide, legally and permanently, and we offer a 100% money-back guarantee. Well, that's the video, I guess. Hope y'all liked it. Bye.